There is a place we're going, a paradise of our own making, where we carry a power that pierces the darkness, and everything we touch is bathed in radiant light. Beneath the golden rays I see you, sister, clothed in a joy you made for and by yourself. Kept safe in a secret place where you are complete. We belong to a tribe of women whose birthright is love. Those who adorn their heads with crowns of peace. Where courage is the linen we drape over ourselves. Here the water never runs dry, and everyone drinks until they are refreshed. Ours is a culture where courage is the linen we drape over ourselves. It sways in the wind like a song this chorus is. Thank you, thank you. Dear body, I thank you. Long after we are gone, they will say of us, those women were touched by love and made whole. There is a place we're going, a paradise of our own making, where we carry a power that pierces the darkness, and everything we touch is bathed in radiant light.